Click on the subscribe button to get updates on all my latest videos and press the bell icon to get notified.
Hello, what is up people? Welcome to another video on my channel. This is your boy Ravi, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing of 13-inch MacBook Air. Today's date is September 18, 2018. So let's begin the unboxing. So firstly, the packaging is superb. You can see the MacBook Air written on this side. On the top we have the MacBook Air itself, and in this side we have the Apple logo, and on this side too. On the bottom we have the basic info about the MacBook, and that's just the basic info on every MacBook we have on the box. So coming to the main part, opening it up. Whoa, we can see the MacBook Air on the top. It is so nice at the first glance. Its shiny look and the sleek design, the metallic body, it's very good to see at the first glance itself. So taking it up, and let's keep it aside for a bit and look at the other things in the box. So taking out the accessories, we have the connector here, I guess. Keep it aside, and yeah, take this out. So this is the power cord, and we also have a bunch of manuals here. That's pretty much it in the box. So first let me take this out. It's too hard. First let me take this out. Okay, oh, okay, so I guess this is the connector. So this is the power cord. Okay, so this goes right in here. You have to connect this both, and then connect this to the power socket. And if you don't want to use this one, you can just take this and plug it in, and we can directly connect to the power socket. Opening up the manuals, we have a bunch of manuals in here. And we also have these glossy stickers too. Keeping them aside. Okay, now to the main part, the MacBook Air itself. Let's open the wrap first. It's a super build laptop, so it'll have a basic boxing too. So looking at the design is very sleek. As we know, Mac products are just made for premium look. It gets a premium look when we hold in the hand. I mean, look at the build quality, the aluminum body. Here we have the glowing Apple logo, and on the right hand side we have the Thunderbolt, we have the 3.0 USB port and an SD card reader, and on the other side we have the headphone jack, the 3.0 USB port, and the MagSafe 2 power plug-in. So it's a minimum build design, and the most thing I like is we can lift it with one finger. So we get the premium look as soon as we lift it up. So we can see the keyboard, the huge trackpad. It's minimal, I mean it's premium build quality and minimal look. We have a backlit keyboard, so it's just awesome to type. and also the screen is superb. You can see the aluminum body, the glossy look. So let's start it up. So here we have the login page. We have to enter our password. So after entering the password, get into main screen. So that's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to like the video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.